In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use projects on Zoho Books. To begin, you will set up your project. Look to the left sidebar in Zoho Books and click the Projects tab. This area is where you manage all project work, including timelines and tasks. In the upper right corner, select New Project. This opens the Project Setup screen, where you will define the basics before any work gets tracked. Start by entering a clear project title. Use a name that will be easy to recognize later in reports and lists, especially if you manage multiple projects at the same time. Next, choose your start date and end date. These dates help you keep a defined schedule and make it easier to track progress over the life of the project. After that, select a project layout. The layout controls how the project is organized inside Zoho Books, so choose the option that best matches how you want to manage the work. Now set the privacy level for your project. You can choose private if you only want specific members to have access. This is useful for internal or restricted work. Or you can choose public if all portal users should be able to view the project. Pick the option that aligns with who needs visibility and access. Once your project is created, you are ready to add tasks. Go back to the left sidebar, click Projects, and then select the project you just set up. Across the top navigation inside the project, click the Tasks tab. This is where you will create and manage the individual pieces of work. In the top right, click Add Task. Enter the task name and keep it specific so it is clear what the task involves. Then assign responsibility by clicking the Owner field on the task row and selecting the right team member. Assigning an owner helps ensure accountability and keeps the project organized. Finally, set your timeline by clicking the Start and Due Date field and choosing the appropriate dates. Clear due dates help keep everyone aligned and make it easier to spot delays early. That covers everything you need to know.